Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning about the hole wizard. So download this part file so you can follow along. To create the hole wizard, select the hole wizard up here. And you have your hole specifications. So these are the different type of holes you can make. You have a counterbore, countersink, a threaded hole, and so on. So for this example, let's select the hole. And the next thing we need to do is come to the position tab, and we need to specify the point, the center point for our hole. To do that, you select the face that you are trying to drill the hole on, and you click again. So let's just press this number 2 so we are number 2. So once you click, you add the point. So the point is going to represent the center of your hole that you are going to drill. And if you keep clicking more, and you keep adding more holes. But for this example, we only want one. So I'm just going to select this extra point that I just created, and I'm going to delete them. So if I've had my point, the next thing I can do now is add a dimension to it. So for this point, I can right click on that point and right click on my origin point. First, I want to make it vertical. Then I can also dimension it. So I'm going to dimension it from the bottom edge to that point. I'm going to make it 1.5. So now you can see my point is black, meaning it's fully defined. So now I can go back to my hole, to type and specify the dimension. So under here you have inches, the standards. So you have all the drill size and the number. So sometimes it goes by the number. So let's just select any number, and you can show custom sizing over here. So for this example, we've select that. We've select 0.09. Let's increase it. Let's change the thread number to something apparent because that hole is very small right now. So let's change it to 5.6, or even let's pick something bigger. And under the custom sizing, you can also change it. So over here, we can type in 0.5 just to make it bigger. So good. So once you have that and you have the end condition, for this example, we want to select true all. So it is going through the part. And once we're satisfied with all the options, we'll select OK. And that is how you create a hole. It is very simple. Let's try that example again on this space. Again, you select the hole wizard. You can come to the position tab. Select the face you are trying to draw the hole on. So it's this face. Now I will select points again for my hole. So I'll select this point because I want to put a hole there. I can select that point because I want to put another hole there. Click number 2. Once I've had both of my hole, select escape to exit that sketch mode. The next thing you can do is define your holes by adding some dimensions and relations to it. So we'll select these 2 points, make them horizontal, add a dimension from here to here, 0.5. From this line to that point, let's make it 0.5. And from this point to this point, so I'm add another dimension for this point to this point. Let's make it 4. So both of our points are black, meaning they are fully defined. We'll come back to the type. Then you can specify the type of holes you want and everything. And once you are satisfied with your options, in this example, we just want a simple hole like that, and click OK. And that is how you create a hole in SolidWorks. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture.